This is going to be Monday and Tuesdays. I apologize that I hadn't put up a video for this week yet. So our vocabulary is digit, any number 0 to 9, numeral, a symbol to show a number, and this week we're going to be working with groups and sets. So a group is a set of elements together. So this would be a group of red triangles. A set is a collection of things. So this would be a set of socks. These are our teaks we are working with this week, generating sets of objects and representing, reading, writing, representing numbers 0 to 20 with and without objects and pictures. So remember to keep subitizing. So when you subitize, you judge the number of objects in a group rapidly, accurately, and confidently without counting them one by one. Here are some subitizing videos you can use to practice. The following slides are just a practice. These are not part of the assignment, but it's good to practice with. So you would look at the 10 frame. Here's our 10 frame. You would count the number of objects in the 10 frame, 1, 2, and you would click the number 2. Okay, and then the next slide will tell you if you are correct. So you're going to do that all the way down. And then your objective is we will be able to recognize the number of objects in a group by sight up to 10. Okay, so objects in a group. So you can always practice counting on our number line. This one starts at 0 and goes to 20. So just to review, a set is a collection of things. So the picture of the socks shows a set of objects. This picture only shows one object. So this would be the set of objects. There are 3 socks in this set. So here are some more pictures that we're going to be talking about what the set is. And this would be a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be a set of 5. So your job is to count the objects in the set and say what you are going to be working on, and this can be done using, you have to be in this mode though, you can't be in present mode. You're going to count the set of objects, and then you're going to take your little red circle and put it over the number that shows the set. Okay, so I'm going to do one as an example. So I would count my objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Which one of these says 5? Oh, it is this one. So I'm going to take my circle and I'm going to drag it over to the 5 because this set is represented by the number 5. So you're going to do all of the rest of these. Make sure that you click on it and it has to have the blue squares so that you can move your red circle. And then think about what you learned. Today we recognize the number of objects in a group by sight up to 10. So this is something you can do as a challenge. With someone at your house, count the objects pulled by the plane. Count the stars and tell them how many. Count the squares, tell them how many. How many stars and squares are there in all? So if you want to do that extra challenge, you can write it on a piece of paper and take a picture. And lesson 2, remember this is for Monday and Tuesday, so this would be Tuesday's lesson. Our objective is to recognize the number of objects in a group by sight up to 10. Here's our handy number line. It's really good for you to practice recognizing the numbers and knowing their order. So a set is a collection of things. So which picture shows a set of objects? This one. Because there's only one object in this picture. This is the set. So I see 5 hearts in this set. So on a piece of paper, you can draw these, and if you can't draw the shape, that's fine. Just draw little circles. So count the objects and write the numeral, and the number word. Okay, so for example, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would write the number 6 and then the number word for 6, S-I-X, on a piece of paper. So today you recognize the number of objects in a group by sight up to 10. And this is a fun little counting fish game that you can use to practice. So you would count the fish, and once again you have to be in the non-present mode. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish. And then you would keep going through. There's several of them to practice, and then your lesson for tomorrow. And I will be recording that later on this evening. Thank you for watching.